begin, let's open to Psalms 91, verse 14. Okay, it reads there, because he has set his love upon me, therefore I will deliver him. I will set him on high, because he has known my name. The word known there is of such great importance. You see, we see God's amazing promises in our lives, but it all begins with us knowing him. Not just a name, but the word known. When you look into the root word, it comes from the word yoda, which means to have a familiar friend, someone who's familiar with you, someone close, warm, and even passionate intimacy with him. It also speaks about a combined, means a head knowledge along with an intimate knowing. Yep. So we can begin to trust God is only when we know him personally, intimately, along with the knowledge that you get from the word. Oh my, that means you will begin to absolutely trust him because you have that confidence in who he is. You see, when you know someone personally, your whole approach towards them changes. The same way, when we know God personally, everything shifts. And that's why when we read Psalm 91, then we read the verse 15. It says there in the 15th verse, he shall call upon me and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. Come on. Isn't that amazing that when you call, he will answer? Isn't that amazing that God says, I will be with you in trouble? Isn't that amazing that he says, I will deliver and honor you? But it all begins with knowing him personally. So the word knowing, again, the word known, it comes from the word yada, which means to be familiar with him. It means to have a close, deep, passionate, intimate walk with him. And along with it, we have a deep revelation or knowledge of him. The word known is not only about something that you get to know suddenly because of a storm, but you have worked on him. You have worked on your walk with God, not just today, but all these years. That helps you grow strong, helps you face every test and trial of life. So I want to encourage you, don't just come as Sunday Christians. Don't just come because you need a miracle or deliverance. Come to know him and grow in him. Amen. God bless you.